Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PartnerStack affiliate account in USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing your PartnerStack affiliate account in the USA, first, visit the PartnerStack website. Click on the sign up button if you do not already have an account. Fill in your personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link from PartnerStack. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the PartnerStack login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Upon logging in, navigate to the Profile Settings section. Fill out any missing personal and payment information in your profile. Ensure your country is set to the USA for compliance. Next, locate the Payout Preferences tab within your account settings. Select your preferred payout method, such as PayPal or bank transfer. Make sure to provide all necessary details for your chosen payout method. Once all information is filled in, save your changes. Now it's time to start exploring the available affiliate programs on PartnerStack. Select the programs you want to promote by clicking on Join Program. Read through the terms and conditions before applying to each program. Click on the Apply button to submit your request. Wait for approval, which may take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you will gain access to your unique affiliate links. Utilize these links to promote the products and services of the programs you joined. Monitor your earnings and performance from the dashboard to track your success. Following these steps will help you effectively authorize your PartnerStack affiliate account in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.